There are movie stars, and then there's Tom Cruise. For more than 4 decades, he's been running, jumping, flying, and crashing his way through some of the most intense action scenes ever put on film. But the real mystery isn't the stunts, it's the man himself. How does a 62-year-old actor still look, move, and perform like someone half his age? Look at him in Top Gun Maverick. Lean, alert, glowing with energy. Then compare that to his early Mission Impossible days. Almost identical. No sagging skin, no tired eyes, no loss of speed. Just the same fearless grin and unshakable focus. While most men his age are thinking about slowing down, Tom seems to be accelerating. His secret? It's not luck, genetics, or plastic surgery. It's years of discipline, precision, and an unbreakable routine built around health, movement, and mental mastery. He has built his life like a well-tuned machine. Every meal, every hour of rest, every workout designed to keep him strong. And stay with us, because you'll be genuinely surprised when we reveal what Tom Cruise does every single morning before stepping on set. A habit that might be the most powerful anti-aging secret of all. Fitness philosophy. Move like you mean it. For Tom Cruise, fitness isn't about showing off muscles. It's about being ready. Ready to run across a train, to hang off a helicopter, to chase villains through mountains. His workouts aren't built for looks, they're built for life. He trains like a soldier, a stuntman, and an athlete all rolled into one. His philosophy is simple. The body is a vehicle for adventure. Instead of spending hours lifting heavy weights, Tom focuses on agility, endurance, and balance. He's known for combining cardio and strength in creative ways: running, climbing, swimming, cycling, fencing, even hiking. Every activity keeps him moving differently, challenging new muscle groups and preventing burnout. That variety keeps his mind sharp and his body flexible. He once said that staying in shape isn't just about fitness, it's about preparation. Stay ready so you never have to get ready. That mindset drives everything he does. He doesn't wait for motivation. He trains because movement is a part of who he is. For him, staying still means rusting away, and rust is not an option. Anyone can take a page from that book. You don't need a gym or fancy gear. You just need to move every day with purpose. Walk faster, stretch deeper, challenge your limits, and treat your body as the ultimate tool of freedom. That's the Tom Cruise way. His diet: clean fuel, no compromise. What Tom eats is just as disciplined as how he trains. His diet is built on one rule: food is fuel. He doesn't eat to satisfy cravings, he eats to perform. Every bite has a purpose. His meals are clean, light, and consistent. He focuses on lean proteins like grilled chicken, fish, and egg whites. He adds plenty of vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and avocado. Sugar is the real enemy, and he's almost eliminated it completely. No sodas, no desserts, no processed foods. He knows that sugar causes inflammation and makes the body age faster, so he keeps it out of his system. Tom also avoids alcohol and caffeine late in the day. He said that keeping his body hydrated and toxin-free is essential for stamina. He drinks water constantly, not just when thirsty, because dehydration is one of the fastest ways to drain your energy and make your skin dull. Portion control is another secret. Instead of 3 heavy meals, he eats small, frequent portions throughout the day, keeping blood sugar steady and energy levels high. When filming Mission Impossible, he reportedly followed a 1,200-calorie, high-protein, low-carb plan designed to maintain lean muscle and maximum focus. But his approach isn't extreme, it's strategic. No starving, no fad diets, just clean, consistent nutrition. The kind anyone can do if they treat food as fuel, not entertainment. The exercise routine: training like a stunt machine. If you want to know what drives Tom Cruise's fitness, just look at his stunts. Every scene he performs requires power, precision, and courage. And to do that safely, he trains like a world-class athlete. His workouts are intense but functional, designed to prepare him for anything his movies demand. He runs nearly every day, sometimes up to 5 miles, mixing sprints with endurance runs. Running isn't just exercise for him, it's meditation in motion. It keeps his heart strong, his body lean, and his stamina unbeatable. He also cycles long distances, swims for endurance, and practices strength training with bodyweight movements: push-ups, pull-ups, planks, and squats. But here's the key: he doesn't overdo it. Tom's routine is about control, not chaos. Every movement has a reason. He mixes in rock climbing, scuba diving, fencing, and weightlifting. Training outdoors is a big part of his system. It keeps him mentally refreshed and connected to nature. His workouts are built around function, not vanity. He trains to move better, not just look better. People often ask, how can Tom Cruise keep doing all his own stunts at 62 without serious injuries? Does he ever stop to recover, or is he superhuman? The answer is simple but powerful. He doesn't ignore recovery. In fact, recovery is part of his training. He He spends time stretching, practicing yoga, and getting deep tissue massages to keep his joints and muscles loose. He's obsessed with flexibility and mobility because he knows strength means nothing if you can't move. That's the secret. Not pushing harder, but training smarter. Sleep and recovery, the Cruise Recharge Code. Tom Cruise treats sleep like an appointment that can't be missed. While others brag about late nights and endless hustle, he knows that no amount of work replaces true recovery. He sticks to a strict schedule, in bed before midnight, up at dawn. He sleeps about 7 hours each night, but the key is quality. He makes his bedroom a recovery zone. Cool temperature, no bright lights, no electronics. He doesn't scroll on his phone before bed, doesn't fall asleep to TV. The last thing he sees isn't a screen, it's silence. Before sleeping, he often does light stretching or meditation. It's how he releases tension from the day and prepares his mind for rest. His breathing slows, his heart rate drops, and his body enters full repair mode. He believes that sleep isn't laziness, it's performance fuel. It's during rest that the body repairs micro-tears, builds muscle, and regenerates energy. His skin stays youthful because his body gets enough time to heal. That's why at 62, his eyes are still clear and his energy never dips. The message is simple: treat sleep like training. If you're serious about energy and youth, your rest is as important as your reps. The Cruise mindset, mind over time. Behind Tom Cruise's physical strength is something even more powerful: his mindset. He doesn't just train his body, he trains his thoughts. For him, aging isn't something that happens to you, it's something you choose to accept or reject. He's known for his unstoppable focus. Every project he does, he goes all in. That's why his performances are so intense. He believes that passion keeps you young, that when you have purpose, your body follows. Tom practices visualization before every stunt. He mentally rehearses success, seeing himself land perfectly, run flawlessly, complete every move with control. This mental clarity gives him confidence, and confidence keeps fear from aging him. He's also deeply optimistic. He avoids negativity, gossip, and stress. People who work with him describe him as laser-focused but calm, always smiling, always motivated. That calmness protects his energy. He doesn't waste it on anger or comparison. He once said, "The moment you stop pushing limits, you start getting old." That belief drives him to learn new skills, try new challenges, and stay curious. His youth is not an illusion. It's the side effect of constant growth. If you adopt even part of that mindset, learning, exploring, staying passionate, you'll start to feel the same effect. The body follows the mind. Keep your thoughts young, and your body won't forget how to be. How you can do it too, the Cruise Code. Tom Cruise's lifestyle might sound extreme, but it's surprisingly practical when broken down. His formula is simple: clean diet, consistent movement, disciplined rest, and a strong mind. You don't need Hollywood resources to follow it, you just need intention. Start with the basics. Move your body every day, even for 20 minutes. Take stairs instead of elevators, stretch before bed, and wake up early. Eat real food, the kind that comes without labels. Drink water all day. Cut out sugar and see how quickly your skin and energy transform. Sleep with purpose. Don't just collapse on the bed. Prepare for rest like an athlete. Dark room, cool air, and quiet mind. And finally, feed your mind. Read, learn, stay curious. Take on small challenges that excite you. It's not just about muscles, it's about momentum. You might never need to hang off a plane like Tom Cruise, but if you live with the same level of energy and discipline, you'll age slower, move better, and feel unstoppable. The real secret, what he does every morning. Now, here's what we promised from the beginning. The one thing Tom Cruise does every single morning before filming that left us stunned. Before breakfast, before checking his phone, before talking to anyone, Tom begins his day with breath hold training. He submerges himself in water or practices deep breathing exercises that strengthen his lungs and control his heartbeat. It's not about showing off, it's about mastering calm under pressure. He says it centers his mind, sharpens focus, and floods his body with oxygen. It's why he can perform high-altitude stunts and underwater scenes without panic. It's also an ancient trick for anti-aging. Controlled breathing increases circulation, boosts collagen, and calms stress hormones. This ritual is his anchor, a few minutes of complete control over breath and body. It's simple, but it sets the tone for his day. While others rush into chaos, he begins with silence and control. That's how he conquers fear and time. The takeaway, the ageless mission. Tom Cruise at 62 isn't a miracle. He's a blueprint. He's proof that with discipline, consistency, and passion, the human body can outperform age. He doesn't chase youth. He earns it with every early morning, every clean meal, every deep breath, and every challenge he takes on. He's shown that staying young isn't about fighting time. It's about living fully. The reason he looks 35 isn't genetics. It's because his mind still operates like a 35-year-old's. He wakes up excited, he moves with intention, and he never lets fear slow him down. His message is simple but powerful. Age doesn't define you, energy does. So what do you think? Which of Tom Cruise's secrets would you try first? The clean diet, the The 5-mile morning run, or that deep breathing ritual before sunrise? Tell us in the comments how you'll add a bit of the cruise code into your life. And if you enjoyed this story, hit that subscribe button, because next time we're revealing another Hollywood icon who's turned aging into an art form. Until then, stay sharp, stay fearless, and remember, youth isn't something you find, it's something you build, one disciplined day at a time.